Make homemade baby food the easy way with the Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Food Maker. It's the only food maker with a glass bowl that automatically steams, then blends homemade baby food in one easy step. Just add vegetables, fruits, meats, or fish to the glass bowl, press start, and in as little as 10 minutes, this revolutionary appliance makes delicious and healthy purees or mashes for your baby. The glass food maker steams and blends up to 4 cups at a time, enough for multiple portions, and its 4 stainless steel blades blend everything to the perfect consistency. The glass food maker is easy to use and clean. The steam tank is fully accessible for easy descaling, the water tank is removable for easy filling, and the glass bowl and blade are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Moms rave about it, and Baby List, Baby Center, and The Bump have called it the best baby food maker. So feed your baby the best and do it the easy way with the Baby Brezza Glass One-Step Food Maker.